The sunshine poured into the living room where Socks stood proudly in the middle, a shiny pink ribbon tied gently around her waist. Her tiny paws tapped the floor nervously as she whispered, "Today, I'm a ballerina," her voice filled with shy excitement. Bluey and Bingo clapped from the side, their eyes wide with admiration. Mom smiled warmly, placing a soft tutu around Socks. "There you go, sweetheart, now you look like a real dancer." Socks twirled slowly, her little tail wagging as she tried to balance on one paw. The music began to play from Dad's phone, a gentle classical tune that floated through the room like butterflies. Bluey shouted, "Show us your best move, Socks," her tail swishing with anti-pat-ion. Socks lifted her paw, spun in a circle, then hopped forward, landing with a wobbly pose. Bingo cheered, "Bravo," clapping joyfully while Coco, who had just arrived, gasped, "You look amazing." Socks felt braver with every spin. She leapt softly, stretched her arms, and even tried a tiny pirouette. Though she stumbled, everyone clapped louder, filling her heart with warm confidence. Bluey whispered to Bingo, "She's glowing like a star," and Bingo nodded, her eyes sparkling with pride. 10 seconds later, Dad marched in wearing a silly towel as a cape. "I'm the ballet prince," he declared, bowing dramatically. The pups burst into laughter, but Socks kept dancing, twirling gracefully around him. Her giggles blended with the music, making the room feel like a real stage. Soon Winton, Snickers, and Coco joined, pretending to be the audience. They cheered, shouted, and waved their paws in support. Socks, glowing with joy, finished her dance with a big leap and landed perfectly on all fours. Everyone roared with applause, shouting, "Encore, encore!" Socks blushed, her ears twitching happily. "Thank you," she said softly, wagging her tail with pure pride. Mom hugged her tight. "See, darling, being yourself makes you shine." Socks nodded, whispering, "I love dancing," her voice carrying both shyness and joyful spark. Bluey wrapped an arm around her cousin and announced, "Today Socks became the bravest ballerina in the world." The family and friends clapped one last time, filling the room with laughter and endless love. Socks twinkled like a little star, knowing her dance would forever be remembered. Bluey winked at the camera. If you loved Socks' beautiful ballet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more magical adventure.